Haga jingle jingo Menteri Rangba konrat ke sangma bat ke Menteri Karap Karyang kong Amprin lengdo ya ke Shillong mokria kila kular bat dia thu bat ba apa ke Khuborjylla kalamang arspa sau Klur Tyngka naga benta ban penslur ki Nongrep Syntiew hakeleng ke jela naga ni ka baiseng la khmilinti kan kersoi bayo nong hadu hendri uspa Klur Tyngka la khenyan tar Menteri Rangba nadu uleber arhajar arpusau kumbasan spangut tam ki Nongrep Syntiew kila yo jingkershan mar nyolak Tyngka ulaong Kesorkar kan sekershan baiseng ya kamrep Syntiew kumbalai hajar ngut hakini kis namban wan ulayat ho. Kiwe pat kijingkershan baiseng kesorkar kilong ya kinong rep shenrai lakadong.
And I'm going to be very vocal when I go back tomorrow and say, look, I brush shoulders with the Chief Minister and the MLA. Ordinary, Mamta Banerjee will not be happy. So by the way, we got you to stay some time and come and visit us is money once in a sustaining mission. Yes. Like this, if the money comes in and every year we can keep helping another 10, 15, 20, 100 farmers. So yeah, that also helped you with this for this, or did you use it for that?
So this comes with the package. This entire thing comes with all that.
Okay.
The greenhouse, the drip irrigation, the bed preparation.
That's something. So all that was given by the through the. This guy, that's a guy, is it?
No, ladybird is actually.
I know.
Yeah, I get your point.
I know ladybirds. But you said ladies are okay, guys are not. So this drip irrigation you put.
Yes, sir.
How much does it cost you to put this up?
It costs us 47,000 rupees, and it's an Israeli system, made of in Israel.
Okay.
Which is now being.
So be careful, sir. Yeah.
So
you guys want to take the video here?
yes, sir, we can take.
Huh?
Yes.
You guys go to the side. Oh, is it? He's a good guy.
Oh, he leave the flower.
Oh, is it?
Come.
Your enemy.
Oh, he is this insect like this insect here.
Yes, sir.
So how do the polyhouse protects it?
Yeah, it's the door must have been opened. Okay. And this thing must have just flown in.
Okay. So we have come here to the third beneficiary of the Floriculture mission, and this is another polyhouse. And the lady here, Kong, she is the owner of this polyhouse and these flowers. And very soon she'll be getting good money out of these flowers.
Yes.
Wow.
As tall as yeah.
So through the Floriculture mission, today we are supporting a large number of farmers to put up infrastructure to be able to grow flowers like these. I'm right now here in this farm, in this poly house where we're growing lilium flowers, and it's doing exceptionally well. And there are many farmers who are working very hard, and with a little bit of support from the government today, this is becoming a huge source of income for the farmers. And we will continue to support our farmers. We have tied up with different partners so that we are able to take these products to different parts of the country. And slowly and steadily, this mission is becoming a really, in one way, a successful mission where a large number of farmers are benefiting. I also want to share with you that when it came to the lilium flowers, we have been told that the quality of the flowers grown here in Meghalaya is one of the best in the country because of the kind of soil, the kind of climatic conditions that are there. The buyers are preferring flowers from here, from our state of Meghalaya. So I also take this opportunity to encourage other farmers, take this opportunity. The government is supporting you under the Floriculture mission. Large number of farmers will be supported. close to 240 crores has been budgeted for this. And through this, we hope to really help our farmers and bring a huge difference in the farmers' lives. Thank you very much. Okay.